Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable zoom on the iPhone, how to use it and quick settings of the zoom. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, and it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of iOS you have, it's all going to work the same. So, what you want to do is to go to the settings, then you want to go to the accessibility, and then you want to go to the zoom. Now, as you can see, it is off, so let's turn it on. So now, when the zoom is on, so to enable it, you just need to tap 3 fingers, double tap on the screen, and it will zoom you out. To get out of the zoom, you need to again double tap with 3 fingers. You can zoom it wherever you want to. To navigate through the zoom, you need to use 3 fingers also. Just by grabbing, you need to you can navigate through the zoom once you are on there. Also, it works with the web page and other applications like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and so on and so on. So, if you want to get access to the quick settings of the zoom, just tap 3 times rapidly with 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Now, as you can see, you can zoom in or zoom out. You can adjust the zoom, so how much zoom do you want to have once you double tap with 3 fingers. So let's say I want to have maximum zoom. So now I will click zoom out, it will close, and once I zoom in with double tap of 3 fingers, it is going to be the maximum zoom that I can get. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's 1, 2, 3. As you can see, now I can adjust it to the middle one. So out of zoom, into zoom, as you can see, it is zooming less right now. Of course, if you double tap with 3 fingers in the specific space, it will zoom in into that space. So if you tap in the middle, it will zoom in the middle. If you tap in the left corner, it is going to zoom in the left corner, as you can see right now. So 1, 2, 3. As you can see, now you can choose region, full screen zoom or window zoom, something like that. For example, 1, 2. As you can see now, and you can navigate through the something like a little bit scope, something like that. Also, you can now zoom out and to zoom close. So 1, 2, 3, choose region, and also you can select full screen zoom, so the one that I used right before, and the window zoom, the one that I'm using right now. Also, you can resize the lens. So, as you can see, if you are going to move it something like that, you can send it somewhere and choose the zoom. Now you can resize the lens, so it can be smaller and can be bigger. It's up to you. You can do with it whatever you want to. Okay. Also, you can choose filter, the inverted grayscale, inverted or low light. As you can see, now it is going to be the low light zoom. As you can see, it's a little bit darker in the middle. You can go grayscale inverted, you can go grayscale, so it's gonna be black and white. You can go just inverted, so it's going to be inverted colors. And also you can click none, so it's going to be normal. Also, you have this option to show controller or hide controller. So now, as you can see, you have a controller. You can hide it. Now you don't have a controller. So show controller. And now, as you can see, you can navigate through the screen right now, and also if you tap on a controller, it will bring you the quick settings. Also, if you hide it, if you hide it, if you want to get to the settings, you just need to press this little icon right here. If you're using the window zoom, if you're using the full screen zoom, I have showed you that, but once again, 1, 2, 3 taps, and it will bring you those quick actions to the zoom. Let's go out of it. And now, if you want to disable the zoom completely, so make it not working with the 3 taps, because maybe you don't need to use it at all and it's only getting you pissed off, you just need to go to the zoom again and now disable the zoom, and now the zoom is not going to work. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, it is just opening apps with the middle finger. So this is it. This is how you can enable the zoom and the quick actions of the zoom, the quick settings. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!